is important to hand wash your unit every night and make sure all the pieces are clean. Once that's done, we will put the unit together as shown, and then we are ready to introduce our sanitizer. Now, when you're sanitizing a unit, just follow the instructions per your packet. For example, this packet here has 1 packet per every 2 gallons of clean, cool water. So, I got my water here. We're going to open my packet. And then we're just going to introduce it just like that. Once the sanitizer is all introduced, we will want to stir. Make sure you stir that all up, get it all mixed up. That sanitizer is very important. Kills whatever bacteria may be present. You know, it can still be, even though my hands are washed, on my hands. It's in the air. So if I go by and touch the top of the machine and introduce it that way, this is just an effective method of eliminating any bacteria that may be left. We'll remove the lid. And then we will introduce the sanitizer to our unit. We'll drop it in. You should, again, hear bubbling. That is a sign that you have the airtight seal you are looking for. You will wait for it to stop bubbling, and then at that point, we will scrub the inlet. Okay. We will come inside, just scrub in and out, just all the way into, we are actually getting into the barrel. So again, at this stage, it is critical that the unit is completely off. You should also do this when you go and clean out the unit at the end of your shift too as well. At that point, we will take the sanitizer and we'll just kind of rub along the side of our pan. And then we are ready to introduce our lid. And again, we will get the bottom. Just kind of get a little bit all on it. Don't need to gush it or soak it or anything of that nature. Just scrub around the edges. And then at that point, we can place our lid on the unit. Okay, now that our unit has ran and cleaned out for 3 minutes, we will again turn our unit off. And that doesn't have to happen, but it does kind of keep it from sloshing everywhere. And we will drain all of our sanitizer into the bucket. Of course, after this, we will dump our sanitizer, and we will show you the next step, which would be prepping your mix and introducing the mix to the machine.